We are back in Palm Coast, Florida again. Take a look around. A whole lot of building going on around here, wouldn't you say? We are at the retreat at Town Center by Toll Brothers. And you're probably wondering, why are you back in Palm Coast again? Well, the reason is, I like to save you money. And the reason is because you can buy Toll Brothers beautiful homes down here in Palm Coast, Florida. And even though I love Nocatee, and Nocatee has a lot of bells and whistles and it's a beautiful area, if you buy down here, you're gonna save yourself 5 to 6 figures on your budget if you buy down here. Now they are gonna be building a pool, so there will be a pool in this community, for the community in 2026. It's got a really low monthly HOA, and it's got a super low CDD. But yeah, if you would be interested in buying a home down here in Palm Coast, instead of living 15 minutes from Ponte Vedra Beach, you're 15 minutes from Flagler Beach. You could still run up to Jacksonville and see the Jacksonville Jaguars, during football season if you want. You're still gonna have a really nice change of seasons here. You're still up in Northeast Florida, and you're not far from St. Augustine. You're pretty much midway between St. Augustine and Daytona Beach. But I'm gonna show you 2 beautiful villa homes, because I'm trying to show you properties that are gonna come in under $500,000, because I know it's really challenging right now for some folks to be able to buy. And I think there's a lot of value in these villa homes, and they're 1 story. Now, of course, if you want 2 story, you can do that too. If you want a single family home, you can have that too in here. If you want to do a ground up build and you're willing to wait, that'll run you about 12 months. But they have quick move-ins that are available now. You're going to want to stick around, because we're going to after the tour on these 2 villa homes right now. All right, now we're going to get started with our first walkthrough. This is going to be a Cardinal model. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa home, so it shares a common wall, and it's 1,500 square feet. Did want to remind you that this is a natural gas community, so you're going to have a tankless hot water heater and a 5-burner gas cook stove in here. And you could also do a gas dryer. Let's go. So here's your 8-foot door opening. And this one isn't decorated. This is a quick move in and they're finishing it up. Looking back at the entryway, we're going to turn to our right. And on our immediate right, here's the first bedroom. And this is the walk-in closet. Nice large window here. Turning to the right, this is the entrance to the garage. So you have a 2-car garage here. You are not going to have a water meter, timer, or any of that, because you have no lawn maintenance here. You don't have to take care of the irrigation or the lawn maintenance here. And right here, you're pre-plumbed for a water softener. Here's the laundry room. Got a nice laundry sink installed here. To the right here, we have bathroom number 1. Nice countertops here. You're gonna have subway tile all the way up to the ceiling with a tub shower combination. So you're asking how much is the HOA every month? It's $189 a month, and the CDD is $645 yearly. You got a coat closet here on the right, and they've got luxury vinyl plank flooring in here. Nice bank of windows here. And to the right is your kitchen. Really large quartz countertops on your island here. This will be where your refrigerator goes. Wire shelves already installed for your pantry. Beautiful white shaker cabinets with moldings up above. Tiled backsplash with LED under cabinet lighting. Stainless steel appliances. There's your gas cooktop. Nice set of wall ovens. Nice stainless steel dishwasher and a beautiful Kohler undermount sink. Tray ceiling. Nice triple pane slider. You have pavers for your patio here. A nice privacy wall there. And there's a gas stub for a kitchen for your backyard here on your patio. And it's also got electrical outlets as well. You could put a ceiling fan up here, and your yard continues there to the right with another privacy panel fence there. And as long as you don't fence this in, they're gonna take care of your yard maintenance for you. Looking back, nice open floor plan here. Now we're in the primary bedroom. Got tray ceiling with can lights. Nice bank of windows here overlooking on your backyard. And the primary bathroom. Got dual sinks here. Nice set of mirrors. Tile on the floors. Tile shower pan and subway tile all the way to the top. Frameless glass walk-in shower. Super large primary closet. Place for your shoes, wire shelves there. And there's your water closet. All right, next I'm going to show you this beautiful Egret floor plan. This is a quick move-in home. They do have it staged, so it's not being sold furnished, but this is staged, and this is a quick move-in home. You can pick one of these up for in the mid 400,000s. Of course, you would enter through the garage or from the side of the home, which I'm going to show you here right now. It's got this nice walkway up. Nice overhang over your door. This is an 8-foot door opening. Look how spacious this is. So you have a nice tray ceiling with beams here at the entryway. Looking back. Nice bank of windows here. This is your kitchen. Very large island here. Nice gooseneck plumbing fixtures here. Undermount sink. 5-burner cook stove again. Subway tile backsplash, beautiful cabinets, nice set of wall ovens here. mechanical closet. Again, look at the ceilings. They have this nice inset study area here. Nice linen closet. Nice mud area here. This is your first bathroom with dual sinks. Making a turn to the right, you have a nice walk-in shower here with sliding doors, and it's tiled to the ceiling. Here's your laundry room. And it's got a pocket door. This will be bedroom number 1. And it looks like they had that set up as a gym. Very cool. Or a yoga room. This goes out to your garage. Here we have bedroom number 2. And you do have a split bedroom plan. Looking back at the ceiling over the main living area here. Triple pane sliders, nice pavers. I do believe that you can get this screened in as well, your patio. Here we are in the primary bedroom. Nice, beautiful bank of 3 windows there, looking out on your backyard and preserve in behind. Tray ceiling, and they've already got speakers built in. Very cool. Primary bathroom, dual sinks. Nice walk-in shower, tiled to the ceilings, frameless walk-in. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the beautiful villa homes here at the Retreat at Town Center by Toll Brothers here in Palm Coast, Florida. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. We're going to put my phone number and email address up on the screen. You know, reach out to me. I'm always going to be the person that reaches back out to you. And if you'd like to make an appointment with me to tour one of these communities or any of the communities that I show you, please do so. Most of the builders, Toll Brothers included, they're pretty adamant about myself and my customer arriving together the very first time that we come to the community to meet with the site agent. That's very important for me in order for me to be able to work with you and represent you in this transaction. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jacks.